Now I'm moving to the next question, which is question number 7. The enrollment in a school during 6 consecutive years was as follow: 1,555, 1,670, 1,750, 2,013, 2,540, 2,820. Here what we need to do, we need to calculate the mean enrollment of the school for this period. We have to calculate the mean of this, okay, data. So you already know and you have done so many questions on mean. So I hope that you have to solve, or you can solve this question by yourself. Okay, so I'm going to give you a hint how you can solve. You have to add all these number and you have to divide with 6. Okay, then afterward you will get your answers, and whatever the answer you will get, check from the answer sheet and comment me at comment box if your answer is correct or not. Okay, don't go through the calculation beta. If the you're feeling calculation is lengthy, do not borrow calculator. I'm not suggesting to use calculator for this question. Now question number 8. The rainfall in millimeter in a city on 7 day of a certain week was recorded as follow. Find the range of the rainfall in the above data. Second, find the mean rainfall for the week. Third, on how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall. So here we have data. On Monday, rainfall 0.00 millimeter. On Tuesday 12.2, Wednesday 2.1, Thursday again no rainfall, Friday 20.5, Saturday 5.5, and Sunday 1.0 millimeter. Now what you need to do, you need to calculate the range in the above data. So how you calculate range? Before starting this question, I am suggesting you should watch this video. Then afterward we will continue with our question.
In this question, we are given the data for the rainfall in a city for 7 days. There was no rainfall on Monday, 12.2 mm rainfall on Tuesday, 2.1 mm on Wednesday, again no rainfall on Thursday, 20.5 mm on Friday, 5.5 mm on Saturday, and 1 mm on Sunday. There, that completes our table. Now we first need to find the range of the rainfall. And how is range defined? It is nothing but the difference between the greatest and the smallest values in a data set. Let us look at the table. What is the highest value? There, you see it? It is 20.5 mm and the day is Friday. And what is the least value? Of course, it is 0. It did not rain on Monday and Thursday. So the range of rainfall is 20.5 minus 0, which is 20.5. And that is our answer. Let us now move to the second part of the question. We need to find the mean rainfall of the week. For this, we need to add all the observations and then divide this sum by the number of observations. In this case, the number of observations is 7, as we have the data for 1 week or 7 days. So what is the mean rainfall? It is 0 plus 12.2 plus 2.1 plus 0 plus 20.5 plus 5.5 plus 1 divided by 7, which equals 41.3 divided by 7 or 5.9 millimeter. So that is the mean rainfall for the week. Now lastly, we need to tell for how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall, that is less than 5.9 mm. So we again look at the table and we see that the days are Monday, as there was no rainfall that day, then Wednesday 2.1 mm, Thursday no rainfall on that day as well, Saturday 5.5 mm, and lastly Sunday 1 mm.
Okay, let's calculate range. Range equals to the highest observation is 20.5, yes or no, and the lowest is 0. So the range is 20.5 millimeter. Now in the second part we need to calculate mean rainfall. How you calculate mean? While adding all the observation and divide with what? 7. So after adding it, it will look like this. We will add like this, and you get here 41.3 divided by 7. Okay, you know how to divide the decimal numbers, but I hope you can do this in your rough copy. Okay, and check either you're getting 5.9 millimeter or not. Okay, now the third and the most important, on how many days was the rainfall less than mean rainfall? The mean rainfall is 5.9 millimeter. What is the mean rainfall? 5.9 millimeter. So in how many days the rainfall is less than this? So here I can see on Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday. In these following days the rainfall is less than mean rainfall or 5.9. So all the data is less than 5.9 in the given data. See where Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday. So right, for 5 days, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday, the rainfall was less than average rainfall. So beta, this is here again there is a mistake. The rainfall was less than average rainfall. Now question number 9. The heights of 10 girls were measured in centimeter and the result are as follows. 135, 150, 139, 128, 151, 132, 146, 149, 143, 141. What is the height of the tallest girl and what is the height of the shortest girl? What is the range of the data? What is the mean height of the girl and how many girls have height more than mean height? So this question is similar to the previous one we had already done. So what we will do, first you write who have the highest height. Before this we will arrange the data in ascending order. After arranging it, we will easily get 151 cm is the highest height and the shortest girl height is 128 cm. And to find the range we will subtract this and you will get here 23 cm. Now 3 questions we have done. First, tallest girl height is 151 cm, shortest girl height is 128 cm and the range is 23 cm. Now we need to calculate the mean. To calculate mean, we know how to calculate mean. While adding all the observation, divide with number of observation. So you can solve it by yourselves. And the last part, how many girls have heights more than the mean height? Based on the above data, you can calculate the height of this. Okay, so mean maybe you will get 141.4 centimeter. You can check after finding this. Okay.